guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can perform simulate body temperature in the Nokia C31. So at the start we have to download the body temperature app, this one, and open it. Now skip this window. And close that. Then tap on the simulation icon, turn off the switchers, and to start the scan, just hold your finger here. Now skip the ad and close it. And now, how you can see, there is my simulation result. If you want to save it, just click here, confirm it by save. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.